All right, so here is the 04 600. Today I'm going to remove the seat and put on the new seat cover. New seat cover here. Yeah, looks like it works. I did buy this off Amazon. We'll see how it works. Check the link in the description. There are many different types of seats. For you can even get them for these even older sleds here. What I'm going to do is actually put it close to the fireplace, let it warm up, and then I'll take the seat off and we'll do it inside. Okay, so I've already loosened everything off. All you got to do is come back here and take these off. They are Phillips, so there's two of those. And then come over this side, takes a T30 Torx. Pop those out. This side. And it should just pull off. There we go. Now I will remove, I think I'm gonna have to remove this back cover here to get at the staples. And pry them out, pull them off. Might be just the one T30 here, we'll see. Okay, so there's two, these are just sort of clipped on here at the back, where you take those back bolts out. It's just clipped on. This one popped off easy. This one here, I might have to grab a little screwdriver, wedge it in there. There. Look at that. Bees been making their home in there. That must be why. Bees love the sled. Makes sense. All right, I think all those staples are off, or ripped anyway. Let's see this. Oh, this guy. Oh, that's probably what this is. This right here. Interesting. I don't know. It's connected onto the seat and it goes down through there. Keeps that. It probably keeps this part nice and tucked in. I'm not going to do any repairs to the. It's okay. It's a little bit worn out here. That's fine. Anybody want a seat cover? Look at that. Just tape it up. Just like they did here. They kept her going just by taping her. But I don't want to do that. I want a new one. Ah. Oh, it does come with this piece. No. Put this piece down through. See right there. Pretty good. Yeah. I'm very happy with that thing. I'm very happy.
It's so much better.
All right, so there's the old seat cover. pretty bad. This is the new one. It turned out actually quite nice. It went on pretty good. So for $100 on Amazon, that sure beats the old one. That's for sure. All right, that's it. She's all bolted on. Turned out pretty good. The only thing I would have done different is maybe shave this foam down a bit to make it smooth, but whatever. All in all, pretty darn good. Actually, the product itself, though, awesome. I couldn't be happier.